Today we're talking about using interactive technology tools to take your advanced language classrooms to the next level. One of my favorite tools for advanced language learning is flip.com. If you haven't heard of it, you're missing out. Flip is a video discussion platform that allows your students to engage with each other asynchronously. It's perfect for advanced learners because it gives them the opportunity to practice their speaking skills, listen to their classmates, and provide feedback, all on their own time. Here's how you can use it in your classroom. Create a topic related to your current unit, like discuss the themes in the novel we're reading. Then, have your students record a short video response sharing their thoughts. They can watch each other's videos, reply with their own thoughts, and even leave emoji reactions. It's a fun and interactive way to get your students talking, and it's super easy to set up. But Flip isn't just about speaking practice. You can also use it to assess your students' language skills and provide personalized feedback. When you watch their videos, pay attention to their pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. Leave them a video comment with specific praise and constructive feedback. You can even create a rubric to help them understand what you're looking for. And here's the best part. Flip integrates with other tools like Microsoft Teams and Google Classroom, so you can easily incorporate it into your existing workflow. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but I'm not a tech genius. What if I need help? Don't worry, I got you. Flip has a ton of resources to help you get started, including tutorials, webinars, and a community of educators who are always sharing ideas. And if you ever get stuck, just reach out to me or their support team. They're super responsive and always happy to help. Trust me, once you start using Flip in your advanced language classroom, you'll wonder how you ever taught without it. Your students will be more engaged, their language skills will soar, and you'll have a blast in the process. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Flip today and start flipping your classroom.